Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to talk about basic market structure. In case you are finding it difficult to create supply and demand, in this video I will give you the extreme clarity that will help you increase your high stake and also increase your risk to reward ratio. Just in case this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please like, subscribe and share. Drop your comment below because I will be hesitating to attend to your questions below. Stick to the video as you are about to dive into your problems in order to get your solution. If you need to understand this market structure, you need to understand that we have three types of market structure. Alright, we have bullish market structure, bearish market structure, and the ranging market structure. Alright, in order for you to have a bullish market structure, price will need to create what we call series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, which is for a bullish market structure. Alright, price will create what we call series of higher highs and higher lows. Alright, for a bullish market structure to hold, we have to create higher highs and higher lows. Alright, for you to have a bearish market structure, price will create a series of lower lows and lower highs. Alright, this is for bullish markets, bullish structure, and this is bearish structure. And we have a ranging market, which is not advisable to trade. Alright, this is for a ranging market. Price is just being indecisive, which means this type of market is not even advisable. Alright, this is a bullish market structure. In order for a bullish market structure to hold, price will need to create a series of higher highs and higher lows. Alright, in order for a bearish market structure to hold, you need to see a series of lower lows and lower highs. Okay, if price is creating series of higher highs and higher lows, it tells you that there is a lot of demand in the market, because it takes a lot of money in order for market to break a high. It takes a lot of money to break high, which means that if any possible higher low is able to create a higher highs, it means that it has taken a lot of money from price to move from the lower low to a lower high, which means that if price comes back to any level that leads to a break of structure, they will still have the amount of, these are the people who are capable of creating another higher highs, which is what happened here. So it means that the bullish are in charge. Hope you understand. So a bullish market structure is price creating series of higher highs and higher lows. Those who are in charge are the bullish. The bulls are in charge of the market. So price will need to create a series of highs and lows. You need to create a lot of structures in order for you to confirm a bullish trend. Alright, and in terms of when we talk about bearish market structure, alright, in order for a bearish market structure to, price will need to create a series of lower lows and lower highs. It takes a lot of money to break a structure. So if a lower high is able to create a lower low, this tells you that there is a lot of money that the sellers are in charge of the market, and it takes a lot of money for a break of structure to happen. So those who are in charge of breaking structure, who are still capable of breaking the next structure. All right. So for you to understand a bearish market, you need to see a series of lows and a high and a lower high leading to a lower low, which means that the bearish are in charge of this market. Each time it goes out to the previous side, it sells. So the bearish are in charge of market. This is a very nice, price action for in case you are looking for kind of entry in the market. You can easily wait for price to drop, come back, and you can look for your entries and so on. So now the next one is ranging markets. This is not advisable. You're not advised to trade this kind of market. It simply tells you that markets, that price is still indecisive. Okay, price is just ranging inside a box, just like this. Price is literally going nowhere. It is indecisive. The sellers or the buyers have not decided on what to do. Either to continue to sell or to continue to buy. So you need to avoid this kind of market, avoid this type of structure, avoid this. You should avoid this because you are going to be losing money. Now this is what you just need to focus on. I don't really advise people to trade ranging market, but it's what's good to know, because understanding the structure is supposed to know that when price is ranging inside a box, if you check out, if you are using your chart, it literally inside a box most of the times. It ranges inside. In a bullish market, it doesn't range. You see a lot of momentum coming out, creating this kind of leading to a break of structure, which is a very solid market, which is what you are supposed to be putting your money. Okay, so avoid this. All right. It's not something that complicates that much. All right. Okay, so in understanding a bullish market structure, a bearish market structure, and a ranging market, which is the first step you need to take in understanding, leading yourself to your progress. Sorry guys. All right, let's just go straight to business. Understanding bullish market structure and bearish market structure tells you that you need to look out for market direction. All right, and understanding market direction is simply understanding bullish and market structure. Okay, we have what we call a strong highs and strong low. All right, so when I say strong highs and strong lows, if we are in a bullish market, price will literally create what we call high and lows. All right, so this is more like a bullish market cycle. So if price is able to trade from here and lead to a break of this structure, it means that the people who lead to this break of structure are very strong, because it takes a lot of money to break structure, which makes this low a strong low. Okay, I just want to talk about this thing again in order for you to understand. So if these people have led to this break, which means that the power have already entered here, the major money now is here. Alright, so now this is the next area which is possible to lead price, alright, to the upside again. So which is making it a strong low. Alright, sorry, it is not a strong low yet. This is the strong low that we have now. This one, because price came back to it and it was able to lead to another break of structure. Okay, so for this low to become a strong low, it will need for price to come to it and if it is able to lead to another break of structure, it is now making it a strong level of interest. Okay, so this is how price fluctuates. This is how price action takes it on and until it decides to change. All right, I'll still talk about it. So this is for the bullish. So price will create any level that is able to create this is supposed to be a strong low. Yes, a strong low. Every strong low will lead to a high. All right, because the demand is always at the cheapest price, so which means that price will need to drop for them to go up. So it's going to be a strong level, which is a strong low that you can look out for. Then if price as it breaks this, if price is able to come back to this level, it means that, and it was able to break another structure to this level. Now it makes this area a strong level. Why? Because it led to another break of structure, now creating another interest point. Okay, so this is how it actually moves until something happened. Though this is for the bullish. Let me also talk about the bullish, the bearish aspect of it. Okay, so for the bearish market, if price is able to do something like this, create a series of low and highs. All right, so if price does something like this, okay, in a bearish market, if price pull back to this level and it is able to break the next low, it tells us that this is a strong high. Because for a bearish market to hold, you will need a strong high to break a low. All right, it will create a series of lower lows and a lower highs. If the highs is able to create a low, it is making it a strong bearish market. All right, so now which is making this high a strong high, which this is supposed to be a higher highs. This level is supposed to be a lower high. Okay, sorry, this is supposed to be a lower high level. Every lower high is supposed to create a lower low. That is for a bearish market. All right, that's just a simple characteristics of bearish market, creating a series of lower highs and lower lows. All right, so now we now have another level. This level, if price is able to come back to it, because sometimes price doesn't give a full pullback, but if price should retrace back to this level that leads to this break of structure, if it is able to break another one, all right, it makes it a strong high. All right, so now this place now becomes another level of lower highs. So if this level will be able to create another lower low, okay, it will now make it a strong level of lower high. But price doesn't continue in one direction, which is going to be taking us to the next topic. All right, we have what we call trend change. Okay, when we talk about trend change, we have what we call change of character. All right, I also tell you about a break of structure is also a trend change. Okay, so we have what we call change of character and break of structure. All right, if price is bullish, okay, bullish market is supposed to be a series of higher highs and higher lows. All right, if price is bullish and price is creating higher lows and higher highs, at some point price will need to reverse. Okay, it will not continue creating higher highs. All right, this is what we call a trend change. Price doesn't continue in one direction, it will go high and it will go low. So this is what we call a trend change. So market has switched from bullish, this is a bullish market has switched from bullish to bearish. It means it equally tells you that the orders have transferred from being bullish to bearish. That markets must have been bullish to a certain point, hitting a very high level of supply, which is a high level of bearish order, like it's also called a supply zone. I will also talk about that too. But let's just dive to this. If at a certain point it will hit a particular level, which will make it to reverse, all right, making it for price to reverse means that it must have hitting a level that has a lot of money in order to reverse this market. All right, so now price will change. It's equally what we call a change of character. Some people call it market structure shift, which is MSS. It is also a market structure shift, or you can call it a change of character. Why is it called a change of character? When price is creating higher highs and higher lows, it equally tells you that price is playing a bullish character. So when price switches to if price switches to a bearish market, it equals that we now have a change of character. All right, it changed a character from being bullish to bearish. All right, so that's why it's called a change of character. So price will continue to can now start creating another lower highs and create lower low. Okay, so this is for the bullish aspect in terms of trend change. All right, so if price sells, all right, okay, so this is break of structure and a break of structure. All right, so this is lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Okay, and this is lower low. All right, so this is where we then have the trend change is here. Change of character. Okay, I can call it market structure shift. Anyone is fine. So this is for the bearish aspect of it. So as it means, it also tell you that price must have hitting a high level of demand. Okay, is it that it hits a high level of, if it is in terms of bullish, it must have to hit a very high level of supply in order for market to change structure. It must, in other words, I just tell you that it must have to hitting it must have hit a very significant amount of order, very high amount of order that leads to that change of character, because it takes a lot of money in order to change character, even to break a single structure. All right, so this is for the bearish aspect. For the series of price creating lower lows and lower highs, and at some point it changes. Okay, so if price is just if price keeps creating these lower lows, it means that we're having a break of structures, which is a very good confluence in trading. If you want to trade a continuation of the trend. All right, so for a continuation of trend movement, price will need to create higher highs, and anytime it breaks structure, that is a simple break of structure for you. Okay, so that is for change of character. That is just what we need to understand about trend change. Then for break of structure, is simply when price is even self-explanatory. Break of structure. So if you want to know what is, if this should be a bullish market, each time price leads to a price, if price should close above a high, it is a clean and clear structure break. All right, so if these people keep on doing this, it needs to break this structure, which is a break of structure. It's just simple, it's not something that complicates much. Okay, so this is for break of structure. Mostly it happens during a continuation of a trend. If price happens to do something like this, okay, it sees structures. All right, so this is equally a break of structure. All right, because this is now a bearish structure. which means if price has to pull back like this, it leads to another break of structure. So this for the trend change. If everything is almost together, just a little difference in it. The change of character is just a change of playing a bullish character to this is where the change of character happens. It is just a change of bullish to bearish character. If it switches from that one, it just tell you that the trend has already changed. All right, so this is what that keeps happening, and these strong levels, this is a strong high, this is a strong high, which is a lower high. As long as it keeps leading to break of structure, it just make it even more stronger, and you can even trade more confident with this kind of arrangement. All right, so this is for bullish. This is for the trend change and the market structure shift. Thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. One thing I'm going to assure you is that as long as you keep on following this channel, we are going to learn more on how to trade supply and demand, and which is going to make you to increase your win rate. In this video, I'll be creating my channel. I'll be creating more content on supply and demand, which is going to make it more easy for you. I'm not going to be using any big English on you, just a simple and understandable way for you to get it right. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. See you in my next video. All right.